I picked up a brush guard for my second gen Montero for pretty cheap, just 26 bucks. But it needs a little bit of work. You can see it's got a fair amount of rust along here. It's got one dent on this corner. And then a few of the mounting locations have some damage. So we're going to weld those, fix those up, and then take all this rust off. Actually, we're going to take all the rust off first, take the rubber off here, get this thing fixed up and on the Monty. Okay, we got it all decrusted. Of course, it ended up being more than I thought it was going to be. We had a lot of rust to take off this flat side and all the edges, and we're going to clean it up a little bit and then get to the weld repair next. Okay, here it is. We got it spray painted. I used a high gloss lacquer, ultra hard spray paint. We got the headlight guards in the same color. I think I forgot to show those getting cleaned, but it turned out real nice. I left that dent there. That's gonna be on the back side, but it looks real good. We're gonna get the rubber put on the push bar part of it and get it up on the Monty. Okay, there we go. We got it on, we got the lights on, we got the front bash plate and the engine skid plate on. The lights aren't wired yet, but it's looking pretty good. We'll see if we like the additional headlight guards or not. There's like the little wire ones that come across. Not sure yet, we'll see, but pretty happy with how it's looking so far.